My name is Jack Hamstra. We are in Sentani on the island of Papua in Indonesia. We are here in the MAF hangar. Been serving with MAF for 3 years, 2 years here in the hangar and 1 year in Solitude. So a typical day is usually get up around 5:30. Angie and I have our devotion time together at the house. Usually get to the hangar around 7:30. We have a prayer time with the guys every morning, and then a quick meeting with all the inspectors just to discuss what the day's going to look like, what projects we might have going on, what help we might need where. Today we're working on Papa Kilo Mike Alpha Echo. I'm doing a MAF 100-hour inspection on it, and I am one of the inspectors, so it's my job to make sure everything's done correctly and just kind of keep an eye on the project and make sure I know everything that's going on with the airplane. Hope to finish it up today or tomorrow and get it back on the flight line soon. So this morning, Nathan Moses and Patrick Just have been doing a 600-hour starter brush life inspection. They removed the starter and measured the brushes, and right now they found it good, and they're getting ready to install it back on the aircraft. Oh yeah. Lunchtime. Heading home for lunch, right across the street here, and yeah, enjoy some time with the family. Indonesian version Mexican.
Yeah, Indonesia version of Mexican food. Burrito bowls. This is the best guacamole ever. We didn't like it in the States, but fresh avocados from the tree next door.
So right now they're touching up the paint on the airplane that has come off over time or gotten thin to prevent corrosion. Half of our battles here in Indonesia is just corrosion prevention and in this heat, humidity, salt air.
In this little hole, the water go from this side to this side.
That's why we make the small guy the like avionics guy, so he can fit in the tiny holes.
Yes.
We work with people from Indonesia, people from the Netherlands, America, Canada, just all over, so many different nationalities. It's pretty amazing to be able to do that, and just to be able to see us all come together from around the world for the same cause, to help the people of Papua get to learn and know about the Lord. I just want to say thank you to all those who support MAF and my family and I. We couldn't be doing this and helping these people here without your support, and not a day goes by that we don't think about it and appreciate all that you guys do for us.